So first, I just quickly want to apologize for bad light and sound in today's video, but I'm on a vacation so I don't have any of my cameras or lights. But anyways, to start off this makeup, I take out some white clay and roll it into a little roll. And then I flatten it a little bit too, so it will stay in place easier. After I created 2 of those, I take out my Mastix water-soluble glue and coat the area where I'm gonna apply the makeup. Once it gets sticky, I'm applying them onto my wrist and then take out my flesh-colored soft putty and applying that to the wrist as well. Once I've done that, I take out my favorite silicone to work with and mix that together with some powder to make it more skin colored, and then I dress the wound with it. Then after it has hardened, I dust on some powder to make it less shiny. Now to give the wound some more depth, I'm applying the dark coagulated blood and applying it to the inside of the wound, and then I'm finishing it off with some regular film blood. And that is it for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have any requests. And subscribe to my channel for more videos coming every week.